As you can see, this is my Amazon dashboard, sales dashboard. Okay, you can customize the data.
What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to make 55,000 dirhams in the UAE selling on Amazon. Is make money online in the UAE. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go right now, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that each time I drop a video you are the first to get the notification. This is how I made 55,000 dirhams in the UAE selling items on Amazon.
Yeah, what up, guys? As you can see, this is my Amazon dashboard, sales dashboard. Okay, you can customize the date from here. This is of May 2021 and up to now. You can see how much I made in sales: 55,591 francs point something pills. Okay, this is the sales dashboard. You can see how much I made. You can see that in a graphical representation. You can see that in a table view. You can see selected range of date, how many units were sold. Okay, I sold 775 units and I had 1,074 units ordered. Okay, so I sold 1,074 units and the ordered sales were 55,591. Okay, so this is just a preview of how much you can make on Amazon selling as an Amazon FBM merchant.
Guys, you can see how I was able to make 55 plus thousand dirhams selling items, random items all around in the UAE, getting them from hypermarkets, getting them from supermarkets, getting them from brand fairs, getting them everywhere I could lay hands to be able to make sales on Amazon. If you want to copy step by step how I was able to create an account to start selling on Amazon, arbitrage means I don't own these items. I just pick them up from anywhere and I list them up on Amazon, and I was able to make sales and make profits out of it. If you want to copy this step-by-step method, there is a link in the description below. By the way, guys, you do not need a license. You do not need any other thing apart from your Emirates ID and a bank account to be able to create a Sellers Central, Amazon Sellers Central account in the UAE and start selling like immediately. So if you're interested, there is a link in my description. Click that link and I will see you right inside.